Hey guys, today we're going to walk through the 2023 Winnebago Minnie, the 2327TB. So this camper is 27 feet 1 inch long, 8 feet wide. So it's one of the wide bodies by Winnebago. Let's take a walk around in the inside, check out what we have with this new floor plan by Winnebago, and see what all it has to offer. Hey guys, so here we are outside the 2023 Winnebago 2327TB. So they kept the front, they put a new paint job here on the outside of the Winnebago. Looks pretty clean with the white paint and the new graphics on the outside here. So let's take a walk downside and see what we have going on here. Nice big pass-through storage here in the front. Nice and lit up, and of course you have on the other side the solar controller, so that way you can control the solar panel that is standard on the top of these campers. Here we are a little bit farther down in the camp area of the Winnebago. Of course you have your JBL sound system up there, and you have your TV mount down here, so that way you can enjoy a nice football game underneath the awning of this camper. And of course you have your nice big LED strip underneath the awning, and a nice awning that runs down almost the entire length of the camper, so you can stay nice and dry while you're watching the football game outside. So of course you have the nice solid steps back here on the back of the camper, or to the door to the camper, excuse me. Nice grab handle. And right around the back you have yourself the ladder, spare tire, and of course the surveyor camera system, so that way you can, when you're backing up, you can see everything behind you. So as soon as you walk in the 2327TB by Winnebago, you walk right in and you immediately have the bathroom to your left. So if you're traveling down the road, you don't have to run any slides out or anything. Of course you have your nice sink and everything to your left with your vanity cabinet above it. Plenty of storage for any towels and everything across there. Nice porcelain toilet, and of course a big nice walk-in shower. On this specific one we have here, we have the U-shaped dinette, which does fold down into a table. You can also do a couch or theater seating in this, but this specific one has a dinette, and directly across from it you have the TV, which we'll get to here in a minute. Right beside it here in the slide you have a small pantry, so you can put a little canned goods in it, and of course you have a refrigerator, and this specific one is the gas electric, so you have propane or electric while you're going down the road. You can do the 12-volt system, so that way it works in tandem with that solar panel on the roof. Right across from here we have your entertainment center. You have the Connects charger for your phone, the wireless charger, so you just set it up there and get charged on your phone. You have the JBL head unit there, so you can listen to the sound system inside of here with the two JBL speakers in the roof, or you can wire it outside so everything's kind of together. You have a nice big storage underneath here for all your DVDs or Xbox, so you can play Call of Duty with your kids. It comes with a nice TV here, and of course some storage above just for anything extra you might need. Here is the main area for when you're cooking for your wife. You have yourself a nice single basin sink here with a couple of covers, so that way you have a little bit of an extra counter space. Plenty of counter space in the back with this nice backsplash that's covered. 3-burner cooktop with of course the glass cover over top, and you have yourself a nice oven over top, or convection microwave over top, because you don't have the oven but down below. So here we are in the bedroom of the camper. You have plenty of overhead storage here with plenty of cabinets, but of course if that doesn't get you done, you have a cabinet right here next to you for any kind of dress shirts or anything you need to hang up, or your wife's dresses, because you know she's going to take it over. You have yourself a nice little end table at the foot of this bed, but of course they call it a TB because it is a twin bed. You have 2 twin beds on each side, so if you snore a lot, she can kick you over to the other bed, or she could just kick you out and she can have her friend over. This area right here of course does turn into a big king bed, so you could put there's a panel you could flop over and turn it into a nice king bed here. Alright guys, thanks for walking through the 2023 Winnebago 2327TB. Again, my name is Dalton. I work with RV Wholesalers here. We have this walkthrough as well as many others on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram. Come join us on those, see what else we have to offer, and check us out. Thank you.